It's that time of year again. Time for the 2019 Scroll Saw Artist Challenge. The 2019 Scroll Saw Artist Challenge has no theme this year, just like last year. And you can make your project from any material just as long as you use a scroll saw to make it. There are two ways to enter. Create a build video approximately 5 minutes in length, and you must be seen in the video on your scroll saw making your project. Or take 3 still photographs, 1 of you on your scroll saw making the project, and 2 of the project itself. Email your videos and pictures to contest@simplywoodencreations.com. For all the rules and information on how to enter, go to simplywoodencreations.com. Go to the navigation bar at the top, then hover over Challenges and a drop box will appear. Navigate down to Scroll Saw Challenges, then over to the 2019 Scroll Saw Challenge. Everything you need to know to enter is here. Last year we had over 37 entries, and I'm looking forward to more this year. So get out in your shop, make some sawdust, and enter the 2019 Scroll Saw Artist Challenge. I'll be looking for your entry.